Alright, what's up guys? Merry Christmas. Got some new speakers that I'm gonna try and install right now. And gotta get some tools. The usual. Got the Crocs. If you ain't crocking, you ain't rocking. You already know what's going on. Gotta get my screwdriver. One of these boys. I think I'll be chilling with one of these. So, first. Oh, it's a bean. Nice. Oh man, gotta sit back here in the whack. What you say, boy?
What you doing back there?
Doing marrow.
The back ones first?
Yeah, front ones are hard.
I'm gonna hop in the other side.
No, get in the front.
Let me see these bitches. Those look nice.
JBL boys.
Sit on them, bro.
I got I'll put the speakers in the description if you want them. Loafers? Dang, bro. Those are nice. Oh, I can't find the hole. Man, never seen a screw this long. Look at that thing. Yeah, hook a brother up. Then you slide her out. Yeah, whatever.
I like normal screwdrivers.
Okay, these are some old boys. Gotta get a Torx bit. Oh man, can't get out. There's probably too much wind. Can't even hear me. Oh, it's raining. Yeah, it is. What are you doing with all this up here, huh? I will. Shut the door, it's cold.
Yeah, you need some torque wrench.
Yeah, I got them.
You need the Allen wrench hex key, as Pablo likes to call it.
I think you're gonna have to close your door. Oh, that almost fell out. We're doing uncut video right here. Yeah, I'm about to smash my legs too. What was that?
What was that? There we go. Can I leave this like...
No.
Oh, slammed it. Switch right here.
Huh? I don't know.
Find out new things about the Camaro every day. I gotta
You
pull
really do. Alright. Gotta pull this boy out. Put her up there so I don't lose it.
Dude, these are old.
I think. Let's see. Is that too big? Huh? Wallet. Nice. Got the racks. Got too much racks that your wallet can't fold.
Are these gonna fit? Yeah.
Yeah.
Those are gonna fit nice.
Oh man. I'm gonna cut it and I'll show you when the speakers are out. Alright, so to get this clip off, you lift up right here and pull. I'm pretty sure.
This may be stuck.
Bean, how'd you do it?
I don't know. Live my life. Can I sit on it?
Jake got it out, but I can't.
I need to get this one out of there.
How? Stop shitting your pants, dude. Yeah, but you lift this part up, like with your thumb, and then pull. Alright, so I got the speakers in. I gotta stop saying alright, so. I said it every single clip in my last video. It was bad.
Does it go like that or upside down?
You better not strip that screw, boy. What are you doing? Why is it? What are you doing? No, it goes the other way. Spin around. Yeah. I don't know what this kid's doing.
Wait, like that?
Your head's all dented.
That's not right.
No, yours is messed up. 100% you messed it up.
I'm good at this.
Let's see. Alright, well, getting that in, and then I'll do the fronts eventually. See it. Alright, to get the dash pad out, to get to the top 2 speakers, you have to take out 6 bolts, I'm pretty sure, and they're all right towards the edge of the dash, but I'm gonna do that right now. After you get those 6 screws out, you have to get 2 up here. Oh, 3, 4. You have to get 4 up here. And then the dash pad comes out. Otherwise, pipe down. Alright, so I got the speakers in. Can't really see them. They're in there. And now I gotta screw everything back in, and then we're done.